Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Anigdha again. And today in this video, I'm going to discuss very important thing about Germany. Yes, many Indian students and international students they do choose Germany for engineering studies due to its strong industrial base, free or low cost of education, and high demand for technical skills. But not enough of them deeply consider which engineering specializations actually lead to the highest paying jobs in Germany. So let's break it down. So here I would like to give some realistic tips to all the Indian or the international students who are aiming the engineering segment in Germany especially. They don't blindly choose any segment, for example, say mechanical engineering or electronics or electrical. It was popular back home, but not always a high paying or in demand with respect to the specialization. So fluency in German language is what instantly boosts your salary and provides you job prospects, especially in the non-IT sector, or the industry relevant experience in Germany during your studies are essential for getting high paying jobs. And above all, the location matters a lot. If you're studying in Berlin, or if you're studying from Stuttgart or Munich, because these cities offer better salaries and more tech opportunities. So here are some of the top paying engineering fields based on industry demand, average salaries, and employment trends. Number one would be computer science or the software engineering. Why? Because Germany is investing huge in digital transformation, AI, cloud computing, and cybersecurity, and the average salary starts from 55,000 euros and it can go up to 65,000 euros per annum. The top companies that are hiring there are Siemens, SAP, Deutsche Telekom, startups in Berlin and in Munich. Number two is electrical engineering. Why? Because of high demand in automotive and renewable energy sector, automation, and semiconductors. Average starting salary would be 50,000 euros and it goes up to 65,000 euros per annum. Specialization tip here is that the focus on the power systems, embedded systems, or signal processing. Third would be none other than mechanical engineering sector. Germany, as we all know, is a home to mechanical engineering sector as well as the automotive sector. The average salary that starts in this sector can go from 48,000 euros and it can go up to 60,000 euros per annum. Pro tip I would like to give here is that go for mechatronics or the automotive engineering sector if you are aiming to the auto sector. Number fourth, and the very famous would be data science or the artificial intelligence. Why? Because it is one of the fastest growing sector globally and Germany is really catching it up real fast. The average starting salary in this sector can go from 55,000 euros up to 75,000 euros per annum. So, if you want to know in detail about artificial intelligence, I've already made a detailed video about artificial intelligence in Germany. So you can directly click on the link here and you can watch the detailed video about artificial intelligence in Germany. Fifth is industrial engineering. Why it's very popular in Germany? Because it's a blend of engineering and management. And it's valuable for operations, logistics, and manufacturing roles. So the average starting salary here in the industrial engineering segment would be 50,000 euros to 60,000 euros per annum, which is actually a very good starting salary which any country can offer you in industrial engineering sector. So why it's suitable? It's basically a suitable fit for such students with interest in optimization, supply chain, and businesses. So at last, I would like to say is that choosing Germany is definitely a smart move, but choosing the right specialization within engineering is what determines whether you land that high-paying job or not. So if you want me to discuss in detail about any particular segment, especially related to engineering in Germany, you can comment us in the comment section below, and I will definitely come up with detailed video on that particular segment related to engineering in Germany in my next upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching this video till end. Do like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel.